Minnesota State Colleges and Universities is the state universities, state colleges, community colleges, and technical colleges, public higher education in Minnesota. It's at least several 100,000 students, over 10,000 faculty and staff. Prior to adopting a common LMS system for our organization, we had multiple systems. Some were hosted by colleges, some were hosted centrally. When we made the decision to go to a common system, we looked at the student experience, the faculty experience, and the overall cost, and we made a decision to use a single common system statewide.
All 31 schools in our system are using Desire to Learn now.
We're one of the largest systems around running this environment. One of the things that helped us was Wisconsin had been a leader and had come onto the system before us. So we felt confident that if it could meet Wisconsin's needs, it could meet our needs.
Choosing one LMS system for the entire organization was very beneficial to everyone.
We manage tens of millions of files, and we do either hundreds or thousands of transactions per second.
We have 3 environments, one production environment, one failover environment, one QA environment. Having the whole stack of technology be all Microsoft is a huge plus versus a mixed solution.
With Desire to Learn on the Microsoft platform, we're able to run a large-scale application at a relatively low cost.
It's a very complex system when you consider the number of servers involved.
Desire to Learn used all the best coding practices that Microsoft's provided out there to build a scalable application.
A measure of success from a technological perspective would be high availability, a high performing system that has a rich feature set that is very usable and intuitive for the users.
My definition of success is having what you need when you need it.
There's a performance challenge, scalability challenges, and we've learned over the years that we have to have things running really good and by the book in order to make it run and scale the way we need it to.
Our availability rocks.
Well, I think every time we have a fall or spring semester startup and we don't have any issues, that's a huge success for our team, that the system's performing well.
We've been running this last academic year virtually 100%.
What we call in the industry 4 nines or 99.99% availability.
In the past 2 years, we haven't had a hitch.
We have really robust performance. I remember times when we would live in fear about fall startup.
We're spending significantly less time maintaining and troubleshooting performance.
In the last 10 years, faculty have become much more comfortable with this, and students, of course, love it.
For one, it's really helpful. I can look on there to see what I'm missing, what assignments you need to do. You go back and if you forgot what the teacher said, it's actually on there. PowerPoints, all that. So I actually can go back and see what I need to do better to help me do better in that class.
It's continuing to grow. We expect it's going to continue to grow as our use becomes more sophisticated.
They're just flying with it. They've really taken off with it. And that's a wonderful success story of bringing those 2 products together and allowing them to work together.
The collaboration between Desire to Learn Microsoft and the Minnesota State College and University system is fantastic.
Online learning for Minnesota State College and Universities has become an essential part of delivering higher education in Minnesota.